This is my simple project to write or read data from a memory card, and this is a Arduino Mega board, but you can use other boards. This is a ESP32 board acting like a Bluetooth device, a BLE device, and here a third-party memory card. This is an empty memory card, and I will make a demonstration writing data and reading data. Now I'm using an old cell phone, an old smartphone. This is the application here, the HTML application, my assistant. And this application has some JavaScript to control the process with the web API, the web Bluetooth API, sorry. And here we choose to connect. See, ESP32MemCARDuino, selecting and pair, connected. All right, now we choose the file. Here's some saves. I will pick the Metal Gear. Okay, select it. And now you just write to the memory card. This is a warning. Write data will erase all current data on your memory card. This process is irreversible. Continue, yes. Okay, and now the process starts. This is my default delay. All frames. Here the Arduino Mega receiving data from the ESP32.